Ugh.
This park is a lot bigger than I thought it was.
It is. It's a pretty big park. Well, if that's about a 1.2 mile diameter on the
We made the right decision.
well, no. I mean, if that's about a 1.2 mile diameter, it's a pretty big park. Nice park too.
Yeah.
Be better if it was warm in the summer.
Well, it's not. We know where it is, so you think it's supposed to be too much for Mom, or
No. As long as we stay away from trying to walk up that one, that's going to wear her out. Or you have to go up it slowly
oh yeah,
and take your time,
yeah.
just like we did. AT.
There's like, so these are the pink signs, but these are like yellow signs. The sign to the trail must be somewhere that way.
No, the trail's out. Let me see. They do have this nicely marked. 18. We come down here. Gotta look for a light green trail.